Hey, what's up guys? So nagbabalik, ang tagal na huli kong upload, di ba? But I just wanted to cut this short and I just wanted to do this video for an unboxing of a product that I got from iFlight. So this will be my first experience on flying a 5-inch quadcopter, which is an FPV or first person view. So, nakita nyo naman yung aking tiny whoop, 65mm uh, mini FPV drone. So, here it goes. The iFlight Nazgul5 4S. This is another analog feed or video. Not like my DJI Mavic 2 Pro and my old Mavic or DJI Phantom 3 Advance that I already gave up or binenta ko na yun. And ayaw na patagalin, buksan na natin to and we will conduct a test flight or maiden flight na mga friends ko. Yes. Alright guys, so here is the iFlight Nazgul5 4S that we will be unboxing. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may tama yung count. Siguro sa shipping yan. Well, alam nyo naman, mahirap ang shipping ngayon dahil meron tayong pandemic. So, that is the QR code and the basic specs. Nakaprint na sa kanyang SKU, right? So, bubuksan na natin ito. Tingnan natin kung ano ang meron. There you go. And drum rolls. Charan! Wala yung drone dito dahil dito na siya. Hindi na nakabit yung antena niya. So, nabuksan ko na po siya before this video. Kinabit ko na yung mga props, the antenna. Hindi ko lang gusto ilagay isang antenna. And this comes with one strap. I included the extra strap so that hindi madudulas yung baterya habang lumilipad or pag nag-crash. Maghahanap ka ng baterya sa field. So, huwag na natin patagalin ito. So, ang sukat na to, kung curious kayo sa sukat, is 270 or 227mm. I think this from here to there. And the voltage version is the 4S that I got. That's 2750 kV motors. The Zing E from Zing E. Yeah. Then the next one is the flight controller. It comes with a F4 flight controller, also from the iFlight Success E F4, and the ESC there, the electronic speed controller, which controls the motors. So that's a 45 amps 2 to 6S BL Heli SD Shot 600 4-in-1 ESC. So some quadcopters like this comes with a separate ESC 4 here. They put it there, but the chip that I got or the ESC is there. This one. Sorry guys, susira yung aking camera stand. That's why handheld tayo, boys. And the propeller, it comes with OEM po yan, from the manufacturer itself. This is a 5-140 3-blade propeller. And usually pag bumili ka ng itong quad, ang available po na receiver, which binds or communicates with the transmitter like this, is an FR Sky XM Plus or the FrSky RXSR receiver, optional. But this one, they ship it without the receiver, because that's my option. And I got a cheap radio. I gotta bind or put my own receiver here, another Flysky. I got here a Fli or FLI, Foxtrot Lima Indigo 14 plus for the Flysky i6 controller or transmitter that I got. So the camera is the I think this is the second wave or version. Dati kasi Cadex Ratel lang kaya lang FPV camera. This is for the pilot's view. So I got here a Cadex Ratel Starlight HDR 1200 TVL Starlight sensor, and 8 milliseconds ang kanyang latency, which is ultra low latency daw. The FPV transmitter, which is the video transmitter, yung nagbabato ng video feed through your goggles. Nakita nyo na may goggles ko na yung Ishin, yung malaking box. The FPV transmitter's power that I have here is can power up to 600 milliwatts, 5.8 gigahertz adjustable frequency, 4 channels with IRC protocol. So battery recommended here is I think 1300 to 1500 4S, which it doesn't include pag bumili ka na yung ganito anywhere. So this has some 3D printed protectors, the camera there, and the guard for the arm. Isang screw ram po gagamitin nyo dito pagka tatanggalin nyo yung arm at papalitan nyo. Comes also, before makalimutan ko, the iFlight Doom or Albatross antenna. Ay mag-focus na aking camera. Ayan. Yung receiver ko nga pala ay kinabit na po na ating butihing kaibigan na si Vien Justin Calica or Vien FPV sa Instagram. You can follow him and I'll link to the link here. Yeah. So, I think that's all. Na-cover ko naman na lahat. Hindi ko na sinama ang baterya. So, usually, kung hindi ko yan kinabit, kasama yung extra propellers. So, yung set na yan, 4 to. Tapos 4 doon sa quad. Battery pad. The controller for the VTX. So, it has smart audio. Sa mga magtatanong dyan. Which you can control your OSD using the sticks of your transmitter. This is I think this is the cable for the receiver I got. Separate purchase po yan. Yung FLI14. This is the stickers na kasama. Hindi ko pa ginagamit. Yan. Iba-ibang style ng FPV drones. Racing, freestyle, and Cinewhoop. This is the Cinewhoop, the bigger brother or sister of my TinyWhoop 65mm. So I think this is a diagram, wiring diagram, which is di pa ako marunong mag-solder. Nagpa-practice pa lang ako. This one, you can install a buzzer para pag nasa field yung drone nyo nag-crash. Aside from having an alarm on the motors, meron ka ring alarm dun, yung buzzer. Kinabit po yan ni Vien. And pwede mo rin lagyan to ng GPS. I've seen one of these. Some dude installed the GPS. And yeah, nag-long range test siya, including the speed. And based on the video, it can run up until 134 kilometers per hour. That's really fast. Tulad nung aking Mavic 2 Pro, can run only 74 kilometers per hour. I think that's the maximum speed I got from that. The foam, yeah, there it goes. So tatapusin na natin to, guys, because lilipad na tayo. So that will be the same spot that I fly before using my 65 millimeter.